Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we're going to be talking about a 2024 Mustang that has been presented. I'm pretty sure you guys probably seen it before. I have seen it, and I'm just going to tell you guys my honest opinion about it. Today we're just going to look at it and see if I'm going to order it, or should any of us buy it, and if it is even worth talking about. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe down there, the red big subscribe button you guys see. Hit that subscribe button. You guys don't want to miss out any future videos. I do have a Mustang myself. Okay, you guys can probably see right now I'm on Ford's official website, and this is what they have said about the Mustang. So this is how the front looks. I honestly think this looks incredible. I do have a little mixed opinions about the back because it does look like a Camaro, but the front, I think they nailed it. Like they showed over here, the interior pictures, it just looks modern. I feel like they were behind with the technology, especially nowadays all the cars come with two giant screens, and they just brought it into the new Mustang. It looks awesome. The newer Mustang will have more features than what we have, and like they said, it's street legal, track ready, especially the dark horse. I might order the dark horse. So I've been thinking, and I do want the GT with the manual. I don't want to go for EcoBoost route this time. I already have an EcoBoost, so why would I get another one? And I believe this Mustang right here might be the last Mustang that Ford makes, and that has a V8. Okay, in 50 years, when there's no Mustang and everything's electric, they're gonna be coming back to this car. 3 different types of bumper brake colors. That's pretty cool. I mean, but big brakes, nice. Alright, high performance handling. Alright, what cool. Yeah, and I believe this might be the dark horse. Don't quote me on that. But this one seems like the regular, probably the EcoBoost. And convertible, probably the GT, and this has a different styling. I was watching the press conference of this car. They did say that the GT is going to have a different style than the EcoBoost. So now you'll be able to differentiate between those two. I don't know if this is a dark horse or if that's just the regular GT, but that thing looks pretty badass. Since it says get updates, I'm just gonna probably just sign up for this right now, because I'm gonna try my hardest to be one of the first few with this Mustang, especially if I can get the dark horse. So make sure you guys are subscribed because you guys don't want to miss this. I just signed up for this. So hopefully I do get some updates, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people probably did this. So I don't think it really makes a difference, but hopefully we'll be able to get it. Okay, I don't want to get copyrighted with this, but I was looking at these videos. I'll just probably show a few. Oh, see, that sounds pretty nice. I mean, it sounds like a Mustang, but for 500 horsepower, slap a supercharger on it. I know they say something about tuning. Yeah, but I don't think I'm a big fan of like them limiting the tuning and getting into the tuning aspect. Local shops that do tend to tune these, they probably won't be able to do it. You probably have to go to a qualified shop, which that Ford allows. It's so stupid, honestly. Like, why would they even do that? If that's the sound from stock, like from factory, if that is the way the Mustang sounds, especially the dark horse, it's gonna be crazy. So yeah, there you guys have it. And I'm not sponsored by Ford. This is my honest opinion about it. And I believe a lot of people have said good things about the new Mustang. I'll try to order the new Mustang as soon as possible, whenever I can. I believe since it is 2024, the Mustang will be out and you'll be able to buy them probably by the mid or end of next year, 2023. But I'm not sure when the dark horse will come out. Alright guys, so for the next part of this video, we bought a new puppy. You guys know how excited I get with dogs, and the current dog we have, Billy, I made a whole separate video about it, but we brought a new puppy. His name is Ollie. Rhymes with Billy a little. We were super excited to bring him. I recorded a few clips of us picking him up and his first day in our house. It was super cute. You guys have to watch this. Don't click out of this video right now. And I like going back into memories and watching my old videos. I mean, that's the main reason why I do YouTube, is because it just helps me capture the best moments of my life and the things that I love to do, and I get to share with you guys. Alright guys, so we're heading over to a spot. We're gonna go pick up a new puppy. I'm super excited. I'm driving my mom's Prius, so don't mind that. But this little guy is gonna get a new brother. He's a Pomeranian as well, and he's super cute. And we just got him. Look at him. Oh my god, he's so cute. You guys can't see him that much right now, but Billy is tripping out. He's hella happy. Oh my god, he is so damn cute. He needs a little bit of wash. Look at this guy. Yes, he is a boy. So yeah. Hi. He's home now. He just wants to come and see him, but he's kind of making him scared, so we have him inside. He's just sitting there. Hi. He's coming to me. They're getting involved. Look at them. Oh my god. They like each other now. Actually playing with each other now. He's a stare off going, oh shit! Oh shit!
Now Billy's scared.
Yeah, now Billy's scared. Okay, now he's scared, but he's gonna grab his sister. Because he was chasing him. Hey, Ollie. Hey. 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 Don't eat anything from the ground though.
He's like,
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this guy. He was awkward. I guess Ollie is kind of getting used to Billy being like...
he's getting way too comfortable.
Yeah. Ollie's gonna show him who's the boss in the house. Well, Ollie entered Billy's playground. Basically, this is all his toys. Okay, where did he go? This guy's getting jealous. He's like, what the fuck are you eating? So it's been roughly a week since I recorded the last clip of Ollie. He is right here. He's growing up a little, a week older. Wait, stop eating the grass. But look at this cute little guy. Look at him. I believe he's right there. Hi. Hi. So this guy is a little shy. He's a little camera shy, but look at him. I feel like he has a goatee if you were to look underneath his chin. He has a little, small little goatee. The past week with him has been incredible. We all have been loving this guy. He's been really spoiled. By the looks of it, he's a lot happier. He's adjusting well with Billy. And whenever I hold this guy just acts like a dad or like an older brother and just takes care of Ollie. Just acts hella responsible. I mean, it is good because most of the time we're not home to take care of Ollie, but this guy is. Hi! I feel like they're both males, so they're both gonna be fighting in the future, determine who's a real alpha. And I know damn well I played Billy's video for over 100 times because me, my sister, and my mom always watches those again and again because we just like seeing how he brought Billy into the house and how he was when he was younger. So we'll be watching these kind of days over and over again. Oh, hi all. Ohayou gozaimasu.